update on the trailer situation and what we're gonna do. So Dave called the shop this morning at 8:30, let him know that he wants 4 new tires, 4 new leaf springs. Come to find out, they apparently can't get the leaf springs in until tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and then they still wouldn't be able to have it done until Tuesday afternoon, because our plan today was to go pick it up at noon-ish and then drive there tonight and then be able to ride tomorrow. That was the plan originally, so they said they didn't have them. So then we ended up finding, since we're 2 hours away from that shop, we ended up finding a place where you can buy the leaf springs, and then we were just going to drive them there. So it was like, basically, for driving back to the camper, it was pretty much on the way to pick up the leaf springs, and we were going to drop them off at that shop. And then apparently that was a big ordeal. If we were to get there by 12 in the afternoon, then they wouldn't be able to have it done by 5 p.m. apparently, possibly, so they aren't even able to do it Monday. And then Dave mentioned still bringing the leaf springs, and then because the guy, Dave already had the other guy at the shop order the leaf springs originally. He told him to try to cancel that. He had a big hissy fit, and they ended up being like $90 per leaf spring compared to the leaf springs we were gonna buy from this other shop and bring them there were like $40, so pretty much half the price. So this guy's like just jerking us around, trying to charge more than it really costs and just upcharge it because we're here, we're stuck, and he knows that. So hopefully by tomorrow afternoon they'll have it done, and then we could drive there Tuesday night and then be able to ride Wednesday. So that's what's going on right now, and I guess I'll update you guys when we're loading up the truck and heading out here. Loading everything up, all our luggage and whatnot. Got to take the tarp off, restrap the bikes down tight, and then we should be good. Bikes weren't touched at all. Bungees held down the tarp, but they're not going to be able to get to the camper till tomorrow. Well, everything's loaded in the truck. Bikes are all strapped down. They're not going anywhere. Put our food in my gear bag in the back, but we're heading to Sheetz, get some food, and then 2-hour drive to the shop, load the bikes back up in the RV, and then figure out a hotel. Might do something later, do the go-karts, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Once again, going back to this long tunnel. Of course, where's my thing? Stopped at Sheetz, got some subs. They hooked it up with a free sub. Can't complain. All right, we just got to whateverville, I don't even know, middle of nowhere. We're gonna load the bikes in the trailer right now, unload everything once again, get it stored away, figure out the hotel situation. All the bikes are loaded up, good to go. Mountain bikes, we got let me get out of here first. We got everything corded up, locked up right here between all the bikes, just in case, even through the mountain bikes too. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up. At least it was warm outside. It's like 40. It's not too cold. It's not snowing at least. Figure out what the activity is for tonight, other than the Xbox and the new Supercross game and Fortnite and whatever else with the hotspot hookup I brought. Should be able to play Fortnite, hopefully online. We'll see. We'll see. Mike's really into Fortnite, right? So we just got into our second hotel here, playing some Supercross, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do after this. All right, so we just ate dinner and whatnot. It's super windy. We're checking out this indoor electric go-kart place and see what it's got. This looks pretty cool. It's pretty big. All right, well, I think we're gonna go get the helmets out of the truck, sign up, and at least do one race or something, I think, for sure, because we're already here. It looks pretty fun, and we really don't have anything else to do tonight except like go to the mall across the street. Other than that, go back to the hotel, play some Fortnite or Supercross, and pray that the camper will be good to go tomorrow by like noon, 2 o'clock tomorrow. All right, we got the helmets. We're all good to go. We're heading back in. Mike, you're going down, dude. If I don't beat Mike, I'm gonna be very upset. and I'm never gonna live this day down, ever. This whole trip, guarantee it. Already starting in front of you, so I got that advantage already, so I think we're good. At least I got the advantage on you, because that's what you're gonna say if I beat you. Oh, you had one spot in front of me. If you think I'm gonna beat Mike, give this video a thumbs up right now. If you think he's gonna beat me, still give me a thumbs up, because why not? Here we go. Already got the advantage on Mike. Oh shoot. I am not good at this so far. Here we go. I'm gaining time on him. I'm gonna pass this guy. Oh yeah, I can pass this guy. Take the inside. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm gaining on this kid up here. Oh yeah, I got this kid right here too. Draft him a little bit, draft him. Get him on the same corner as the other kid. Here we go. Ah. No, he's not leaving it open at all where I can pass him. I can't pass. Here we go. Made the pass, finally. Finally made the pass on that kid. Wide open, don't hit the brake once. Except for right there. Ooh, here we go. Oh, they're slowing me down. Definitely worth the 25 bucks or whatever it cost. So that was super fun. And now I can say I beat Mike, so that's all that really matters. Ugh. Mike, where were you, buddy? Where were you, buddy? Alright, looks like I had the fastest lap time at 26.9. Mike had a 27.9 and Dave had a 28.1. So,
but me and Dave were actually hitting each other in every corner.
All the traffic.
I wish there was.
Regardless, it was fun. Regardless, it was fun. Alright, well, go-karts were fun. Shout out to the Steel City Indoor Karting. Super fun. We got like, I think it was 15 laps and it was like a 10-minute race, but super fun, better than we would have been chilling in the hotel anyway, so made something. Alright, so I'm gonna close this video out. I just edited like the whole vlog. I'm just gonna end it off here, but hopefully tomorrow, cross our fingers that they get the parts in time and that they can get everything installed. Like I said, 4 new tires, all new leaf springs, hopefully by like 2, maybe 3 o'clock, and then we still have to drive 8 hours to even get there. Probably more than 8 hours, probably at least 10 hours total to get there between us stopping and God knows whatever else. So at least like 8 to 10 hours to even get there. So we still have a long road trip ahead of us, and then we're gonna get there super late. We still gotta set up the camper, do everything, get everything good to go. And yeah, tomorrow is definitely gonna be a very long day in the car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short, just some riding go-karts and updating the vlog, but I'm trying to daily vlog this whole thing so you guys can kind of get an experience on and kind of see like this whole road trip day by day and how we progress, and hopefully get to the ride. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying these daily vlogs, definitely give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button down below. It really helps me out a lot. Like I've been saying, comment below some different track suggestions on our drive back. I think we'll have like a day to stop at one other, maybe 2 other tracks. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. I know the last video or the video before I asked you and got a flood of comments, but if you guys didn't see it, like I said, let me know some different tracks. Hopefully you enjoyed the riding video from yesterday. If you missed it, there was a bunch of riding in yesterday's video, GoPro full, pretty much like almost 10 minutes of pure riding, so definitely check it out. But if you're new, definitely hit the subscribe button down below so you can see this journey continue and various other videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at TylerMonagan so I see the Snapchat stories and see the Instagram stories of what we're doing before the vlogs go live. For that, I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully in the next video, if I have Wi-Fi to even upload the next video, but we will see. Not gonna worry about that yet. Step by step, we gotta get there first, so yeah.